Hello friends, welcome back. I hope all are doing well. Today I am sharing a very special healthy tea recipe. As we all know that whole world is suffering from COVID-19, this tea may help to boost our immunity to fight against virus and other diseases. Before starting video, those who want to watch this recipe in Hindi, link is in description box given below. Friends, before also I uploaded 2 more videos how to sanitize our grocery, food items at home, and a very special healthy dry fruits recipe to boost our immunity. Link is in description box given below. Let's start our recipe now. Turmeric contains vitamin C and most active component curcumin. Curcumin have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral and immunity boosting properties. It may also help to prevent cancer. Black pepper referred as king of spices. It contains active component called pepperine. It has vitamin C, vitamin A and other antioxidants that helps to remove harmful free radicals, protect our body from cancer and other diseases. Vitamin B3 and B6 present in fresh ginger. It helps to fight against infection, oral bacteria, effective against the RSV virus, a common virus of respiratory infection. Cinnamon sticks. Powerful medical properties present in cinnamon sticks. Loaded with antioxidants, improve hormones, insulin level in our body. Next, black seeds powder. It also called kalonji. It contains vitamins A, C, E and vitamin K. It also used for respiratory conditions including asthma, cough, flu, swine flu and fight against bacteria, virus and fungus. These are carom seeds. Phosphorus, iron and calcium present in carom seeds. Carom seeds have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It prevents coughing and improve airflow. It also helps in healthy digestion. These are cloves. Cloves are high in antioxidants, antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial properties. It protects against cancer, kill bacteria, regulate blood sugar and promotes bone health. This is sugar. Sugar you may use according to your taste. This is optional. I am here using honey. Honey is also good for health. Sugar patient must avoid sugar and also honey. This is tea powder. Friends, if you don't have any of these items, 1 or 2, you may skip. All these spices are good for health, but we must consume in a limited quantity in our daily diet, and I will not recommend this tea for pregnant ladies. Here I am preparing 4 cups of tea. Take a saucepan. Pour 4.5 cups of water. We must boil at least 5 to 10 minutes this tea. See friends, I am adding half cup of extra water. Now take a small piece of ginger. Crush this ginger like this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black seeds powder. 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of tea powder. Here I am adding 2 cardamom also. This is optional. Now add grated ginger. Now let it be boiled for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our tea is ready to serve. See friends, the color is so beautiful. Now pour this tea in cups. I suggest only half cup of tea for children. It is approximately 25 to 30 ml. Now add half teaspoon of honey. This is ready to drink. Have this tea daily at least one time in your diet to boost immunity. Friends, if you like this tea recipe, like, share, subscribe my channel. We will meet soon again. Take care, stay at home. Goodbye.